Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best washing machine isolation pads on the market, the Vibra Shield Anti-Vibration Pads. If you're tired of your washer or dryer moving around, making noise, or shaking your floors and walls, these pads might just be the perfect solution for you. The Vibra Shield pads are designed with a unique dual hexa grip technology that significantly increases the contact area between your appliance and the floor, providing up to 60% more surface contact compared to other pads. This means your washer or dryer stays firmly anchored in place, preventing that annoying walking or skidding during spin cycles or heavy loads. Unlike ordinary pads that might slip or slide, the Vibra Shield pads lock your appliance in place from both the top and bottom, ensuring maximum stability. What makes these pads stand out even further is their premium rubber construction. They are thick, heavy-duty, and built to last. This rubber material is specifically engineered to absorb shocks and vibrations, which reduces noise and prevents vibrations from traveling through your floors and walls. So not only do these pads keep your machine steady, but they also help create a quieter laundry environment, allowing for a more peaceful home experience. Installation is a breeze with these pads. You don't need any tools or professional help. Just tilt your appliance to one side, slide the pad under each foot, then lower the machine back down and repeat for the other side. It's quick, simple, and effective. Before installing, it's important to make sure your washer or dryer is leveled to get the best performance from these pads. One of the great things about Vibra Shield pads is their universal compatibility. They fit all types of washers and dryers, whether front load or top load, standalone or stacked, with or without pedestals. The pads accommodate washer feet up to 2.5 inches in diameter, making them suitable for nearly any setup or brand you may have. For those with side-by-side washer and dryer units, it's recommended to order 2 sets to keep both appliances level and stable. Another advantage of these pads is that they don't emit that strong rubber smell that can sometimes bother users when using similar products. Any slight odor dissipates quickly, so you don't have to worry about unpleasant smells lingering in your laundry area. Besides keeping your machine stable and quiet, these pads also protect your floors and appliances. By absorbing impacts from vibrations, they prevent scuffs or damage to your flooring and reduce the risk of wear and tear on your appliance feet. All in all, Vibra Shield anti-vibration pads combine innovation, durability, and ease of use to deliver a product that really addresses the common problems with washer and dryer vibrations. If you want a simple, effective way to stop your washer from walking, reduce noise, protect your floors, and extend the life of your appliances, these pads are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.